Don't overcomplicate things and let us help with Carrgenie. Carrgenie is a one-stop wireless solution for all your in-car tech needs. Now you can drive in confidence with Carrgenie. Just set it up once and your phone will connect automatically every time you turn on your car. Both models of Carrgenie are sleek and slim technology, and they can both wirelessly convert your car's OEM infotainment screen to a wireless intelligent Android Auto and Apple CarPlay system. Both of these models allow you to have access to all of your phone's favorite apps like Maps, Spotify, and YouTube. Road trip in ease with the dual screen technology. Your passenger can be entertained while the driver pays attention to the directions. Have a safe, enjoyable, less complicated drive with Carrgenie.